I don't know what to say now. Okay. Is Design Simply, and my name is Sena, so please. No, don't welcome me. 1, 2. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of our Pinterest inspired concrete decor. This is Design Simply by Sena. My name is Sena, and I hope you guys enjoy this. But if you have not watched part 1, please stop, pause, create a new tab, whatever you need to do, just cut. Go to the description box and check out the link for part 1. There's some really cool projects there that I think you guys will like. And if you have watched part 1, well, part 2 is better. Well, you'll just like, but yeah, I'm equally excited about part 2. So please do enjoy, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like. Yeah, I'm still getting used to all these things, but anyway, please do enjoy this, and don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.
So project 3 is this really chic concrete lamp, and what you're gonna need is a cardboard box and some light cording. So what I'm taking right now is an old box of jungle oats, and I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. This was a bad idea. I mean, great concepts, but the overall project just did not turn out well, and that's mainly because of the box that I'm using is just way too flimsy. So if you guys want to do this, please use something a little bit more sturdy so that it just comes out looking a whole lot better. So right now I'm just gonna give you guys a quick speed through because I wasn't even sure if I was going to show this to you guys, but I decided why not, let's all learn from my mistakes, I guess. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick, shucks, I'm babbling now. Okay, here's a quick speed through of the whole process, and then you guys will see how it looks like at the end. As you guys can see, our cardboard is just not gonna hold up the shape, and that's why it kind of flopped on us. So this is the weird little shape that we got from our cardboards. As you guys can see, it's odd to say the least, but I am trying to make the most of it. Like I said, let's all learn from my mistakes, so we will definitely see this project through. So for our final project, what you're gonna need is a round dish container and some wooden dowels. You can need 3 or 4 depending on the size of it. I ended up using 4, and now I'm just filling up our little container with some concrete, doing my own little measurements over here. Like I said in part 1, please just get a pre-mixed concrete. It will make your life so much easier. So this is the consistency that we're looking for, and now I'm just giving it a bit of a shake so I can get all the air bubbles out. So guys, please do not skip this step as it's quite necessary for our process. So I decided to just give it a bit of a clean, using toilet paper to just clean the inside of it. These are the 4 wooden dowels that I ended up getting. I got these from Leroy Merlin, and I'm just going to use tape to try and bring them more to center so that they are able to sit up straight. If you have quite a thick consistency, you might not need the tape, but I found that the tape is really helpful for getting that upright shape that you want. So it's the next day, and this is always the most nerve-wracking part of any DIY/experiment. So what you're gonna do is that you're just gonna flip it over and remove the lid, and there you have it. This is our concrete stool. I am so obsessed with how the top part looks. I love how all the colors kind of run into each other. And what I'm going to do now is just I'm going to give it a light sanding at the bottom, but I'm not too worried about the rough edges. I think it kind of adds to the character of the stool. So yeah, I'm really happy. So now I'm just going to tape off the bottom part of the legs just to add a little bit more of a design detail. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to take some black acrylic paint and then just paint the bottom of the legs that way. I think at the end it will all just come together and really give it that extra detail to say that it needs to really make it a chic and modern stool. So these are our final results. Like I said, I am obsessed with how the top looks. I really love how everything came together, and also the legs are just perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one because I really had the most fun creating our little concrete stool. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of our concrete DIYs. If you have not watched part 1, I highly suggest that you give it a try. There's some really cool projects there, so I will leave the link in the description box. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. I'll take the hit and still finish.